Pneumatic 3D sublimation vacuum machine ST420, designed by Sunmeta Company from August 1, 2014. It takes 120 days to complete the drawing design. The internal structure of this machine is very complex. Each part molds total more than 100 pieces. It's the machine our company had taken the largest investment, the longest time to design. The whole machine uses aluminum die casting process. Lightweight and solid structure, independent research and development of the control circuit, implement fully automated operation, pneumatic lifting, large LCD touchscreen, 5-group setting, savings function, powerful, creative design of lifting board, quickly adjust machine functions. The machine can transfer T-shirts, 4 phone cases, 8 mugs, special shaped mugs, plates, glass, and rock frames, etc. Drawer L design, very convenient for operation. The machine can transfer phone cases by 3D film, 4 iPhone 6 cases at a time, fast transfer and a good effect in 4 corners. Lifting board design. Only need to lift and turn 180 degrees. The board itself will adjust to height when printing T-shirt neat. Put the silicone pad on. You can transfer T-shirt now. After lifting the lifting board, put mugs in. The machine can transfer 8 mugs at a time. Big volume, up and down heating, make heating even all of the machine. Place the insulation block. Transfer height changes right away. Use one revised lifting board. You can put the plate in the middle hole. Lower the height of plate. Then you can use 3D film to transfer plate with full width. Fast transfer with high success rate. Together using with special mug clamps designed by Sunmeta Company. You can transfer different shapes of mugs like sports bottles, straight cups, car cups, and so on. Powerful functions and faster change in different products printing. Total invested capital is about 20 million RMB. Will come to market in June 2015.
Sublimation industry has developed very fast this year. In 2014, we made a deep research of our customers' demand and we introduced our new machine ST420. It gave you a complete different feel with the touchscreen and the soft silicone buttons. The machine was also multifunctional and pneumatic with 3D outlook. Here we introduce the sublimation process on the T-shirt. This is the picture printed from the computer. I'll pass on the picture to our technician and he will show you how can we do the sublimation process on the t-shirt. Here you are. Unlike previous machine, we don't need to have any setup. The timer and the temperature are already set within. Just press the t-shirt button on the touch screen and the process is done. Isn't it very comfortable? Time is up. For 20 seconds and you can have the sublimation on your t-shirt. Wow, fantastic! This is what a professional customer is looking for. Isn't it great? Just now we have seen the sublimation process on the t-shirt. You see, color effects are so beautiful that you are looking for, isn't it? Now, our technician will show you the settings on the very beautiful iPhone cover. Is this the iPhone cover you are looking for? Take off the silicone pad that was used for the t-shirt. We need 2 screwdrivers. Insert the screwdrivers as shown by our technician. Lift the base plate and turn it upside down. The base plate will go inside in the bottom. Insert the other 2 screwdrivers. Now you can put 2 iPhone covers at a time. This is how. 1 and 2. Nowadays, 3D film is very popular. It's because it doesn't need any cutting or sticking. Also, the effect comes in 4 angles and the picture is very clear. Our technician will show you the sublimation process on the iPhone cover. Put the blank covers on the mold. Insert the film. The film should be detached to the screwdrivers. As seen in the picture, the screwdrivers shall insert in it. It's done. Isn't it convenient? Just press the film button and the process will start automatically. And the process is done. You see, it will automatically come out. Wow! Isn't it very convenient? Now let's see the effect of the 3D film. As you can see in the video, the fantastic, beautiful phone covers are coming out. The effect is 4 angle and the picture is very clear. Also, it's very flexible and unbreakable. When it cools down, it will take its shape. And this is how our freeze-up sublimation process is done on the iPhone cover. You see, this is our new invention of freeze-up in 2014, the 3D film. The effects comes in 4 angles and the picture is very clear. This is what a professional customer is looking for. Where our machine uses the 3D film, we can also use the paper printed from the computer. This is the picture we just printed. Use the picture and put it upside down on the phone cover. But this process is a little complicated. It uses packing tape to stick it on it. Also, if it's done by an unprofessional person, the result will not come as accurate as it's in the 3D film. This is how this process has to be done. When you stick the paper on it, you can put it in the machine and do the sublimation as we have done with the 3D film. need to change the silicone cover. You have to insert the silicone pad under the heating pad, and then you put the cover in the machine. Just now we have introduced the sublimation process on the t-shirt and iPhone cover. Now we are going to introduce the sublimation process on the coffee mug. Don't you think the height of the heating pad and the height of the coffee mug is not same? Don't you worry. We have outer frame. We are going to insert the outer frame on the heating pad. Now our technician, Mr. Leo, is going to show you the sublimation process on the coffee mug. Take a picture, print it from your computer. Attach the picture to the coffee mug using the tape. This is how it goes. Now take a rubber clamp. Place the coffee mug in the middle of the rubber clamp. You can see the process is very simple. Attach the rubber clamp to the coffee mug and press it to lock the clamp to the coffee mug. After you finishing the attachment process of the rubber clamp on the coffee mug, it's ready for the sublimation. Here we need to change the settings of the heating pad. We can do sublimation process on the 6 mugs at a time. Also we can do the plain mugs, the big mugs, coffee mugs, the couple mugs, and whichever mugs are available in your country. Now Mr. Leo is going to introduce the process of the settings of the heating pad. Take off the iPhone molds from the heating pad and take off the white iron plate. Also take off the white silicone film from the iron plate. Now let's attach the frame for the mugs. We can do 6 mugs at a time. We can insert the mugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just press the mugs key on the touch screen and the process is done. Years, different cups are very popular among the youth. You can see the car mug has many layers. 1, 2. Also you can do sublimation inside the mug, on the handle, on the bottom layer, on the top layer. So for this sublimation, the process is very simple. We introduce our technician, Mr. Leo. He's going to demonstrate how we take off the coffee mugs that were attached before, take off the frame, take off the mugs, and there is a special mode available. Just put in the mug in that mode. You can see both the process. It's very simple. And cover it with the lid. Remember, this should be on the top of the lid. Just cover it, and here is our technician. Please have a look. Attach the lid properly into the mug, and there is an air hose here. Just attach the air hose to the lid and press the automatic button. It will start vacuuming automatically. Once the cup is vacuumated, put the outer frame back that we have used for the coffee mug and press the mug button. Just close it and it will do the sublimation. Nowadays, the handcraft on the ceramic plate is very popular. It's used as a decoration for the living room or your hotel. In that case, the plate is not the straight surface. It has a slant over here. In that case, we would suggest you to use a 3D film to have the sublimation on the plate. Now, as you can see, we have different modes for the plate. This is the mode that was placed inside, and in the circle, it's very easy to fit the ceramic plate in the center. Now I will introduce Mr. Leo. He's going to show us the process. Take off the frame, insert the mold for the ceramic plate, put the plate in that, and the printed 3D film. Also, we need to attach the silicone frame which we took out to do the sublimation in the former process. Attach the silicone firmly. You can follow the steps of our technician. Take the 3D film and put it upside down on the plate. You can see the result will be all around the plate, not only in the center. Press the button, and here it's ready for the sublimation. This is our latest innovation in 2015, ST420. All this product sublimation can be done in few seconds with this machine. As you can see, we have tiles, rocks, crystal, sports bottle, mouse, ceramic plate, t-shirt, and iPhone covers. All these sublimations can be done in few seconds using our latest model ST420. Our latest model ST420 has a touch screen. There are 5 buttons. As you can see, the first one is t-shirt. Second one is mug. The third is the film. As you see, everything has a standard setting. Mode 1, it has its own settings, and mode 2. Do you want to change the settings of the temperature and the timing? It's easy. Just press the temperature and you can increase the temperature. You want to decrease the temperature? Just press this button and you can lower the temperature. Same with the time. When you want to change the time settings, press the time, increase the timer. Want to decrease the timer, just press the timings and decrease the timer. Isn't it very simple? Now comes the heating button. When you press the heating button once, it will heat the up plate. If you press it again, it will turn off the heating of up and down. When you press it again, it will start heating up plate and down plate. This is the vacuum button. It's related to auto. If you want to turn to manual, turn off the auto and it will come to the manual position. Just push the plate, press the red button and it will go down. When you want to turn on the auto, take it out. You don't have to use your hands. Just press auto. It's in the auto position. This is the mode setting. When you press mode, long press for 5 seconds. When it comes to 0, you can set the temperature for the cling and the vacuum timer will be delayed. To change from centigrades to Fahrenheit, press together plus and minus. It will turn to Fahrenheit. You want to change to centigrades? Press again. Many valuable customer deal only in the t-shirt. If your line of business doesn't involve sublimation on the mugs, plates or phone covers, you can buy ST420B. The price is much cheaper than ST420. Now our technician is going to introduce the sublimation process using this machine. ST420 comes with the spare parts. We have 2 silicone plates, 3 silicone straps, silicone pad, heat resistant gloves, extension cord, mugs, handle, without handle, for the plate, mug clamps, iPhone molds, some accessories and the instruction booklet. If you have any questions, you can go through the booklet. It's very convenient for you. ST420 is very popular all over the world. Once you buy this machine, the sublimation process is very easy and very convenient to use. But overall it's a machine. Maybe in future you have some problem with any parts. If the machine is broken, don't worry. We have a couple of spare parts which can solve your problem. And if you buy 100 sets of pieces, our FreeSub company will provide all these spare parts for free. These are the new models of 2015 from FreeSub. I hope you enjoy doing our sublimations. Thank you for your cooperation.
这是我们2015年整个研发团队研发出来的全新的机器，希望大家能够喜欢，谢谢。